The DHLM is a powerful hydraulic tail lift, built to make loading and unloading heavy cargo safer, smoother, and far more efficient. It comes in two main versions, the DHLM10 and the DHLM20. The LM10 can lift up to 1,000 kilograms, while the LM20 can handle loads as heavy as 2,000 kilograms. Both are commonly found on delivery trucks and commercial vehicles, where manual lifting simply isn't practical. Each model uses 4 hydraulic cylinders, 2 to lift the platform up and down, and 2 to rotate it. This smart design keeps everything stable, balanced, and reliable while in motion. Both versions can lower completely to ground level, allowing items to roll or be carried on easily. Without the need for extra tools or steps, you can choose between aluminum or steel platforms. Aluminum keeps things lighter, helping reduce overall vehicle weight, while steel is tougher and ideal for demanding conditions. The right choice depends on the kind of work you do. Platform sizes vary too, with the widest option for both models measuring 255 centimeters. The DHLM10 also offers a narrower 125 centimeter version, perfect for smaller vehicles or tight urban spaces. Standard features include a powered hydraulic unit, built-in safety valves, and a slip-resistant surface for secure footing. Optional add-ons include remote controls, wheel stops, and lighting systems for nighttime use. The unit connects easily to either 12 or 24-volt vehicle power and fits a wide range of truck chassis designed for everyday operation. The DHLM system delivers strength, safety, and durability, all with minimal maintenance and maximum performance. The Peg Frog, a clever mobile energy system that turns motion into electricity. It's mounted on a compact trailer that can be towed by a regular vehicle, allowing it to bring power anywhere it's needed. The exact inner workings remain a bit of a mystery, but it likely uses a smart mix of levers, flywheels, and generators to create clean energy. While precise figures aren't shared, it's clearly built to handle everyday needs, powering tools, lights, or small appliances. A simple control panel lets users monitor performance and adjust output with ease. Designed by German engineer Peter Gollasdorfer, the Frog was born to solve a timeless problem: how to get reliable power in places far from the grid. Whether it's an emergency site after a storm, a construction zone deep in the countryside, or a remote home in the wild, the Frog steps in where other options can't. It's perfect for outdoor events too, bringing temporary power without the noise and fumes of gas generators. What truly makes the Frog unique is its clean operation. It doesn't burn fuel. It creates energy through motion. That means no emissions, fewer maintenance headaches, and far more flexibility. At first glance, it might seem like just another heavy-duty work truck, but look closer and you'll see it's so much more. What began as a Mercedes-Benz of rocks has been completely reimagined by the team at Krug Expedition, transformed into a full-scale motorhome built to conquer the wild. With all-wheel drive and serious off-road power, this machine can take on nearly any terrain you dare to face. Yet, what truly amazes is what's waiting inside. Step through the door, and you'll find not one, but 2 kitchens. The first slides out effortlessly from the side, perfect for cooking beneath the open sky. It features an induction cooktop, offering real cooking power, even in the most remote corners of the world. Inside, the second kitchen includes an oven, ready for meals that need a little more time and care. And when adventure leaves you dusty or drenched, no worries. There's a full shower on board and a separate toilet for complete comfort. Even laundry is covered, with a compact washing machine tucked neatly inside. Climate control is top tier, with 2 air conditioning systems and a full heating setup to keep you comfortable in every seat. After a long day on the road or in the wilderness, an electric staircase extends smoothly, guiding you up into the cozy living space. Inside, warm lighting, clever storage, and thoughtful design invite you to relax and recharge. Rugged on the outside, but peaceful within. This isn't about flash or show. It's about balanced strength meeting serenity. Everything has a place, everything works, and everywhere it goes, it feels like home. The Peterbilt 389 is a true icon of American trucking, and when one gets customized, you know it's going to be something special. This particular build honors the classic spirit of the 389 while adding a modern edge that makes it stand out on any highway. Originally built as a one-off creation, the team behind it is ready to craft more for anyone who wants a truck that looks and feels just like this. At its heart, the 389 is powered by a 565 horsepower Cummins engine, paired with an 18-speed transmission, a combination that delivers pure strength, smooth control, and total flexibility on the open road. It rides on polished Alcoa wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires, blending performance with undeniable style. Step inside, and the cabin sets a darker, more refined tone. Leather seats, rich paneling, and a full array of instruments give it a cockpit-like atmosphere. 16 gauges line the dashboard, providing instant updates on every system, while 26 switches offer total command right at the driver's fingertips. But this machine isn't only about raw power or advanced tech comfort matters. 2. The cab is designed to be lived in, not just driven. Aperia Technologies, the name behind smarter tires and safer roads. Their research revealed that nearly half of all trucks run with low tire pressure. Their invention, the Halo, solves that, automatically maintaining pressure between 80 and 120 pounds per square inch. It operates from -40 to 257 degrees Fahrenheit, lasts up to 500,000 miles, and installs in 5 to 10 minutes. No wires, no batteries, just motion. Like a self-winding watch, it creates its own power. With savings of up to $1,200 per truck each year and over 716,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide reduced, the Halo isn't just innovation, it's impact. The X6000 isn't just a truck. It feels more like someone took a business-class lounge and put wheels on it. This is one of Shacman's most advanced designs, packed with technology and comfort features that set a new standard for long-haul driving. Beneath its sleek, sharp lines, the X6000 is powered by a modern drivetrain that delivers both efficiency and smooth cruising on highways. But what truly stands out is what's inside the cabin. The noise reduction system cuts sound by 10 decibels, making the ride significantly quieter. It's the kind of silence that turns a long journey into a peaceful, almost meditative experience. The air system goes beyond just basic filters. It actively sterilizes the air, provides real-time data on air quality, and keeps the cabin fresh no matter where the road leads. It's a level of attention to detail rarely seen in heavy-duty transport vehicles. Inside, the X6000 offers a spacious 1,000-liter storage compartment, more than enough room for tools, gear, or personal items. But it's the small touches that really impress. A compact table for meals or work, a reading light to help you wind down, and an orthopedic mattress that offers real support after hours of driving. Every element, from the lighting to the upholstery, is thoughtfully designed. You don't have to adapt to the X6000, it adapts to you. Man-front detection is a smart safety system designed to help drivers navigate low-speed situations with greater awareness, especially in busy city environments where streets are crowded and visibility can be limited. It operates at speeds up to 10 kilometers per hour, constantly monitoring the area directly in front of the vehicle, covering a range between 0.8 and 3.7 meters. That's the critical zone drivers often can't clearly see. Yet it's exactly where pedestrians and cyclists are most vulnerable. The system uses 2 radar sensors built into the front bumper, combined with a forward-facing camera mounted behind the windshield. Working together, they scan the road ahead, detecting movement, direction, and object type in real time. If the vehicle is stopped and something enters that danger zone, a colored alert appears on the dashboard. But if the vehicle is in motion and a possible collision is detected, an audible warning sounds immediately, ensuring the driver reacts fast. Man-front detection doesn't work alone. It's part of a complete network of intelligent systems designed to support the driver in all traffic conditions. At higher speeds, Emergency Brake Assist Plus takes over, capable of identifying both moving and stationary objects, including pedestrians, and automatically applying the brakes if necessary. The Peterbilt Crew Cab Ultra, where power meets people. Originally built to tow a horse trailer, it evolved into a masterpiece of comfort and strength. Inside, leather seats, walnut flooring, and a 20-inch television make every journey feel like home. A digital thermostat, premium sound, and seating for 7-turn travel into shared experience. It's not just a truck that hauls, it connects. It moves hearts as much as it moves wheels. The MRL Rumble Pro is a specialized machine built to make rumble strip installation on roads precise, efficient, and reliable. It rides on a Peterbilt model 337 or 537 chassis, giving it the strength and stability needed for heavy-duty work. The custom flatbed layout includes built-in storage and a hydraulic tank, keeping tools and fluids organized and always within reach. A hydrostatic drive system gives the operator smooth, precise control over speed, essential for consistent results every time. At the core of the machine is a powerful milling drum, 16 inches wide, weighing 11,000 pounds, and fitted with 84 teeth. It can cut both continuous and skip patterns. And with the Epic Solutions timing system, operators can adjust those patterns easily while on the move. A 500-gallon water tank keeps the drum cool during long hours on the job, while an onboard air compressor and power washer help with cleanup and maintenance. For safety, the Rumble Pro comes equipped with bright work lights and a backup camera system to improve visibility, especially in low light. The Peterbilt 579 is more than just a truck. It's a living space on wheels built for comfort, power, and life on the open road. Beneath the hood lies the mighty MX-13 engine, capable of delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an automated transmission for smooth, quiet shifts, making every mile feel effortless. With fuel tanks that hold up to 150 gallons, long stretches between stops are no problem at all. But the real magic begins behind the driver's seat. Step into the sleeper cab, and it feels personal, almost like home. Reliable Carriers, a company trusted to transport luxury cars insured for up to $5 million, chooses this model for their longest routes. And it's easy to see why. One of their drivers, David Rogers, even removes his shoes before stepping inside, a simple gesture that speaks volumes about how much comfort and respect this space inspires. Inside, it's like a small studio apartment on the road. You'll find a microwave, a refrigerator, a TV, and even a compact kitchen setup. There's a neatly designed shower, and the bed offers a cozy retreat after a long haul. When the curtains are drawn, the space feels private and peaceful. A true sanctuary from the endless highway. Adjustable lighting sets the perfect mood, and smart storage keeps everything within easy reach. Digital climate control ensures the temperature stays just right, no matter the weather outside. When the Scania R530 rolled into Ramella, Sweden, for the Power Truck Show, it didn't just show up, it stole the spotlight. By the end, it won second place in the wood chip truck category and third for Best Interior. Under the hood, it carries a 530 horsepower engine built for endurance and grace. Inside, it's a sanctuary, soft lighting, fine stitching, and every detail whispering of comfort and care. For its owner, it's more than a truck. It's home on the road, a symbol of pride, patience, and pure love for the journey ahead. The 2021 Freightliner M2 1106. Haller may not shout for attention, but it doesn't have. This is the kind of truck that earns respect quietly through solid performance, dependable engineering, and a cabin that feels far beyond what most expect from a working hauler. In this custom version, it goes even further, transforming into something sleek, smooth, and unexpectedly refined. But what really sets this build apart is what you find inside. Black leather wraps the seats, while carbon fiber accents bring a sharp, modern edge to the cabin. It feels less like a hauler and more like a luxury SUV on wheels. And it's impressively quiet. The XTR25, designed by Can American Stone Spreader, is a heavy-duty truck built to take on the toughest material placement jobs in construction and landscaping. It can carry up to 30 cubic yards of lighter material, making it ideal for large-scale projects. Its 19-foot slinger arm can launch material as far as 100 feet, reaching tight, uneven, or hard-to-access spots with ease. A 70-gallon hydraulic tank and a precise metering beam keep the material flowing smoothly and evenly from start to finish. This truck also works as a live bottom hauler, capable of unloading up to 1,300 tons per hour, a true powerhouse on any job site. All operations can be controlled by a single person using a wireless remote, reducing labor and keeping workers safely away from moving parts. Practical features like the electric flip-top cover, hydraulic vibrator, and in-cab controls with built-in diagnostics give operators full command without ever stepping outside. For transport, the bed can be lowered to reduce the center of gravity, improving balance and stability on the road. The XTR25 is built for crews who need to move massive amounts of material quickly, accurately, and safely, whether it's topsoil, mulch, stone, or sand. The truck automatically adapts to the material and the job. In 2024, global hay production soared past 110 million tons, generating over $30 billion each year. Leading the charge in efficiency is the Stinger Stacker 8500, a true marvel of modern farming. Powered by a Detroit 13-liter diesel engine with 460 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission, it handles heavy fields with smooth precision. It weighs about 42,500 pounds, stretches 35 feet long, stands 14 feet 4 inches tall, and measures just under 10 feet wide. It hauls up to 14 3x4 Alco bales, 12 3x3 bales, or 8 standard 4x4 bales, cutting trips and saving time. With a 120-gallon fuel tank and an air horn that announces every victory in the field, this is a machine built for long days, hard work, and total reliability. The IAP system brings together smart technology built to protect valuable truck fuel and give fleet managers better control and peace of mind. At the center of this system are advanced fuel caps, equipped with sensors that instantly detect any unauthorized attempt to open them. The moment someone tries to tamper with the cap, an alarm sounds right away. In addition, real-time GPS tracking lets operators see exactly where each truck is and whether its tank is being accessed. If there's a theft attempt, the system immediately identifies which vehicle is involved and pinpoints its precise location. Another powerful feature is the automatic log that records every single tank, opening and closing complete with time and location. This detailed history helps spot suspicious activity and strengthens accountability. The system connects easily with most heavy-duty trucks and integrates smoothly with common fleet management software. Some versions even allow remote locking and unlocking of fuel caps through a mobile app. Every component is built tough to handle harsh weather, while long-lasting batteries keep it running reliably without frequent maintenance. Considering that a typical truck tank holds around 500 liters of diesel, and with prices near $4 a gallon, a full tank can be worth more than $600. It's a major upgrade from basic locking caps, which do little more than slow down a determined thief. Instead, the IAP system gives both drivers and managers immediate alerts and valuable long-term insight into who's accessing fuel and when. A smart, practical solution that helps prevent losses, strengthens control, and keeps your fuel exactly where it should be, safe in the tank. The Flegal 300 Ultra is a semi-trailer built for serious work, designed to handle the heavy lifting of modern farming. Especially when it comes to transporting large loads of round or square bales. It can carry up to 29,000 kilograms, with a fifth wheel load of 11,000 kilograms, offering a wide 13-meter platform that measures just under 2.5 meters across. The platform surface is made from 30mm screen-printed boards that keep load secure and prevent slipping. Even on long hauls, a dual-circuit air brake system adds another layer of safety, while a sturdy support leg with a built-in gearbox keeps everything stable when the trailer is parked. Certified for speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour and equipped with EBS approval, it's ready for both field and highway use. The trailer's frame is made from fine-grained steel, welded for maximum strength, and includes a replaceable 2-inch kingpin for long-term reliability. One of its smartest features is the load-securing system. On both sides, heavy-duty tarpaulins with integrated tensioning straps keep the cargo firmly locked in place. One side can lower hydraulically using a simple manual control, making loading and unloading quick and effortless. The opposite side features a strong grid panel that provides extra support and acts as a physical stop during loading. The harsh Unilift trailer is built for versatility, designed to work seamlessly with all commercial hook loader containers under chem standards. It supports a wide range of setups from articulating or telescopic arms to wireless remote controls, hydraulic or air brakes, and even self-steering or lifting axles. One of its greatest strengths, adaptability. It can handle multiple body types on a single chassis, switching effortlessly between grain carriers, dump bodies, timber beds, muck spreaders, water tanks, or low loaders. That means one trailer replaces several, saving time, fuel, and manpower. A real-world example comes from Greenworks, a forestry company using the harsh ITR model with a payload capacity of 13 tons and an unladen weight of 4,900 kilograms. With this single setup, they switch between hauling logs and wood chips with ease, proving that efficiency and design can indeed work hand in hand. The Peterbilt 389 has long stood as a symbol of the open-road, rugged, reliable, and endlessly customizable, but the custom build known as Notorious Pig takes that reputation and pushes it to a whole new level with style, attitude, and a whole lot of personality. If a truck could have swagger, this one would be strutting. Beneath the hood, a powerful 565 horsepower Cummins engine pairs with an 18-speed transmission. Built to command every mile with authority, it hauls heavy loads and conquers long stretches with ease. No hesitation, no struggle. Yet behind all that muscle lies something more personal. On the outside, dark custom accents and dramatic lighting make it impossible to ignore. Step inside, and you'll find an interior designed for both power and comfort. Rich materials, thoughtful layout, and modern tech blend seamlessly. There's a smart navigation system, a full cluster of 16 gauges, and 26 tactile switches, giving the driver total command. The leather seats, deep-toned color palette, and soft ambient lighting turn the cabin into something more than a workspace. It feels like the cockpit of a luxury machine built for the open road. Welcome to Right Track Systems, your trusted partner for premium rubber tracks built to conquer off-road challenges. Did you know that using tracked equipment can boost your off-road performance by up to 700% and greatly extend the lifespan of your original tires? That's a true game changer when facing mud, snow, or any tough terrain. RTSI track systems are crafted with high-grade steel and reinforced rubber, giving you unmatched strength and incredible resistance to wear. The modular bolt-on design allows for quick installation and easy removal, making maintenance faster and switching between vehicles effortless. Each tread pattern is carefully shaped to deliver a powerful grip and clear debris with ease, essential when working in muddy or snowy environments. Every track system is engineered to handle heavy loads, distributing weight evenly to reduce ground pressure and protect the terrain beneath. RTSI provides multiple systems to fit a wide range of vehicles. Skid steer tracks keep compact loaders stable and minimize surface pressure when working on soft or uneven ground. There are trucks, and then there's the Thor 24. One glance, and you know this monster doesn't play by anyone's rules. With a staggering 3,974 horsepower, it storms down highways at over 200 kilometers per hour. And to stop all that fury, it doesn't just use brakes, it deploys 4 parachutes. Yes, 4. This hand-built masterpiece sold in Saudi Arabia for an astonishing $13.2 million. But once you see what it truly is, that number makes perfect sense. Beneath the aggressive body lies a rolling piece of art, a one-of-a-kind creation you can actually live in. Despite its immense size and weight, Thor 24 isn't about practicality. It's about presence power, sculpted into chrome and light. This isn't just transportation. It's performance art on wheels. When it roars past and those parachutes bloom behind it, you'll never forget the name Thor 24. The team at Global Aircylinder Wheels has created a game-changing innovation, a reimagined wheel design that brings real benefits, especially for the mining industry. At its core, this wheel features a steel hub connected to an outer steel drum using 12 nitrogen-filled cylinders and 6 oil dampers. This unique setup adds built-in suspension directly inside the wheel itself. Made from high-strain ductile steel, the wheel is engineered to withstand extreme conditions. The outer drum is equipped with bolt-on treads, which can be made of either polyurethane or steel. These treads can be swapped out individually without the need to remove the wheel. Available in various hardness levels, the treads can also include fire-resistant options for added safety. The nitrogen cylinders, operating at 2,500 psi, can withstand pressures up to 10,000 psi and are sealed to protect against dust, mud, and debris. This innovative design allows the wheel to carry heavier loads while offering better side-to-side stability. It helps prevent skids and type-overs, which are crucial for jobs in challenging environments like mining. Unlike traditional rubber tires, the ASW avoids the risks of overheating, blowouts, or even catching fire since it doesn't rely on air and can handle high heat. Its built-in suspension eliminates the need for additional systems on the vehicle, making it more efficient and reducing breakdowns. Replacing treads is quick and easy, minimizing downtime. Environmentally, the ASW has clear advantages. It doesn't release rubber dust, a major contributor to ocean microplastics. And the entire wheel can be recycled. With lower rolling resistance, it reduces fuel consumption and emissions. Designed to last. As long as the vehicle it's on, it cuts down on replacement costs and can help businesses reduce operating expenses by up to 60%. SAF Holland is a fixed-frame air suspension system built around the 5.75-inch SFX series axle, a design that's 19% stiffer than similar models. That extra strength greatly reduces axle flex, improving tire performance and extending their lifespan. The series is available in 4 versions, offering ride heights from 14 to 19 inches. Axle track widths begin at 71.5 inches, with wider options reaching up to 83.5 inches. Users can choose between standard drum brakes or optional air disc brakes. The drum setup features 16.5 by 7-inch extended life linings, while the P89 disc brake option delivers stronger stopping power and easier maintenance. The upgraded P89 Plus takes it even further with an integrated rotor and sealed bearings for lasting durability. Depending on configuration, each axle weighs between 469 and 555 pounds. The summer of 2024 brought devastating wildfires, especially across Germany's Brandenburg region. To fight back, rescue teams turned to a new hero, the Müller safety trailer. It carries 17,000 liters of water, powered by a 24-volt hydraulic system and an 8-ton winch. Built tough, watertight, and steady, it can hold water up to 1 meter deep, ideal for battling electric vehicle fires. This isn't just a trailer, it's a lifeline on wheels, built for moments when every second counts. The Milwaukee trailer stretches about 13.6 meters long and features hydraulic pods that extend outward, opening up the space inside. Once expanded, it reveals a modular setup with displays organized by tool type, hands-on testing stations, and full audiovisual systems for live demos and presentations. Power comes from an onboard generator, though it can also connect to external sources when needed. Built on a heavy-duty semi-trailer platform and pulled by a Milwaukee-branded tractor, it's both rugged and mobile. Inside, visitors can explore a complete lineup of Milwaukee tools from power and hand tools to accessories all ready to pick up, test, and experience firsthand. Live demonstrations showcase the performance of systems like the M12 and M18 cordless lines. giving everyone a chance to see the tools in action on real materials. The roadshow travels to trade fairs, distributor gatherings, and retail partners, with schedules announced in advance through Milwaukee's official channels and partner updates. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.